Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to make your Facebook account private on your phone. First thing first, open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon at the bottom right, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll to Audience and Visibility, tap Profile and Tagging. Under Who Can See What Others Post on Your Profile, tap each option and choose Only Me or Friends. Go back and now tap Followers and Public Content. Change everything to friends or only me. Now, go to Privacy Checkout. So scroll upward and click Privacy Checkout. Choose who can see what you share, then walk through and adjust each setting to friends or tighter. Finally, go back and tap Search. Type Privacy Settings and double check everything here is set to friends only. And that's it. Your Facebook is now private.